Guys, now I am going to show you how to get real Instagram followers and likes for your Instagram account. First of all, take your browser, search https cheapsmmstore.com. Link is provided in the description. When you search, you will go to a website named cheapsmmstore.com. To use this website, you need to register an account. Click on the register button. Provide your name, email ID, WhatsApp number and create an account. WhatsApp number is optional. I had already created an account, so I'm logging into my account. I click login. Now you will go to a page where you can select the service and packages. I click service button. You can see many services like Instagram service, Instagram likes, YouTube views, YouTube subscribers, Facebook page, website traffic, TikTok followers, etc. etc. Now I am going to select Instagram followers page. Then select the package. There are different types of package like high quality, low quality. There are 65 rupees Instagram followers package and all. I'm going to select 20 rupees. The 154 rupees. I selected the 65 rupees package. In place of link, you should provide your Instagram username. Like https instagram.com/username. Username, my username. I'm taking my username. In place of quantity, you need to type how much followers you need. I am typing 5000 followers. Then before that, you need to add fund based on your order. Like for 5000 followers, you need to add 329 rupees. So for that, click the menu on top. There you can see a add fund option. Click on add fund. Select the payment method. I had selected Paytm. Then scan this QR code and send amount and type the order ID and amount. The amount will be automatically added to the account. And I had already added account of 2000. Check my available balance is 2000. So now I am going to order. Make a order. Click on new order. Select the service. I'm going to select guaranteed service. Now I'm going to select the base package. Instead cheap service. Now I'm selecting 130 rupees. 65 rupees package means 65 rupees for 1k followers. In place of link, you need to provide your username like https www.instagram.com/ your Instagram account's username. In price of quantity, provide how much followers you needed. I need 5,000 followers, so it is 329 rupees. Click on place order. It is showing order placed successfully. Click menu. Then you can see from 2000 my amount is removed.